iOS 18's this feature lets wirelessly restore iPhone 16 with iPhone or iPad. In line with the buzz around the new iPhone 16 series, which Apple launched at its Glow Time event, iOS 18.2 is spearheading the stream of new features and enhancements into its operating systems for flagship Apple products. It's been reported that iOS 18 comes with a new feature which allows users to wirelessly restore their iPhone 16 with the help of another iPhone or an iPad. A publication quoted its sources as saying, "Essentially, when the iPhone 16 enters recovery mode, for some reason, users can simply place it next to another iPhone or iPad to start the firmware recovery. The other device will download a new iOS firmware and transfer it to the brick device." With the introduction of a never-heard-of innovative feature designed specially for iPhone 16's data recovery, it seems that all the iOS 18 supported devices would be able to do restoration. However, only the iPhone 16 series can embrace the essence of restoration with the said method. Before the new feature came to the limelight, an iPhone could already be used to wirelessly restore an Apple Watch or an Apple TV. iOS 18 has been released with a treasure trove of such features, but only the iPhone 16 lineup's arrival at buyers' doorsteps will raise the latest iPhone software update to new heights of popularity.